Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall 360 Total Security from Windows. So let's get started. Sometimes the antivirus can be difficult to remove completely, especially if it keeps running in the background. So in this video, I'll walk you through the proper step-by-step method to remove it fully from your system. Before uninstalling, you need to close the app completely. You're going to go to the system tray at the bottom right corner, find the 360 Total Security icon, right-click it and click Exit. If it asks for confirmation, simply click Yes. Then you're going to press Windows and I, both keys at the same time to open settings. Here, you're going to go to Apps and then head over to Installed Apps. In this list, you're going to search for 360 Total Security. Then you're going to click the three dots next to it and click Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure to select Remove completely if asked. Sometimes files are left behind. So you're going to open the File Explorer and go to Program Files or Program Files x86. Delete any folder named 360 or 360 Total Security. After uninstalling, restart your computer. This ensures everything is fully removed. If the app won't uninstall normally, use tools like Revo Uninstaller, IOBit Uninstaller. These remove stubborn programs and leftover files. And that's it. That's how you can completely uninstall 360 Total Security from Windows. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.